The Kratky method of hydroponics is perfect for anybody looking to give hydroponics a try for the first time. Developed by Kratky, this passive system is perfect for beginners and those looking to grow a few plants without the fuss of pumps and complex setups. Stick around as we unveil the secrets of the Kratky method and learn how to build your own system. The Kratky method is all about simplicity and effectiveness. Unlike other hydroponic systems, it doesn't require pumps. Perfect for growing individual plants, it may not suit a diverse garden. It's your go-to if you're just dipping your toes into hydroponics. It's perfect for beginners and even a fun project for kids. However, if you're looking to sustainably feed yourself, you might need a more diverse hydroponic setup. Now, let's get our hands dirty and build a Kratky hydroponic system. It's essentially a deep water culture system without a pump, making it one of the easiest to set up and maintain. To get started, you'll need a container with a lid, a net pot, a growing medium, and a nutrient solution. You can even use a mason jar as your container. First, drill or cut holes in the lid large enough for your net pots. Next, fill the reservoir with water, preferably distilled or filtered. Add the nutrients as recommended and stir for a thorough mix. Don't forget to check and adjust the pH level to keep your plants happy. Fill your net pots with your chosen growing medium and plant, ensuring the plant's roots are exposed and the plant is stable. Place your net pots with the growing medium and plants into the holes in the lid. Ensure the roots have access to both water and air. To achieve this, ensure your plant's roots are partially submerged in water and partially exposed to the air. But beware, too little gap between the roots and the water can lead to root rot. The Kratky method shines when it comes to simplicity and cost efficiency. It's ideal for leafy greens and herbs, and while you can grow larger plants like tomatoes and peppers, you'll need to monitor water levels and nutrient levels closely. As your plants grow, they'll absorb water, causing the water level to decline. Typically, when the system is nearly empty, it's harvest time. But if you want to keep growing, simply add more water and nutrient solution, adjusting the pH level as needed. And there you have it, the Kratky method. Simple, cost-effective, and perfect for those starting their hydroponic journey. Whether you're growing herbs, greens, or just exploring this exciting world of hydroponics, the Kratky method has got you covered. If you like what you just saw, go ahead and click the link in the description to find a full detailed article on this video's topic. And if you learned something new today, hit that like button and let us know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more hydroponics educational content, and visit proponics.co.uk for in-depth articles on all things hydroponics. Grow smarter with Proponics, and until next time, happy growing.